Investing for beginners. How to get started with a small amount of money. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's perfect for those of you who are new to investing or working with a small budget. We're going to dive into the world of investing and show you how you can get started even if you only have a small amount of money. Don't worry if you're a complete beginner, we've got you covered. So, grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's explore the world of investing together. Understanding the basics. Before we jump into the how-tos, let's quickly cover some fundamental concepts so we're all on the same page. Investing is essentially putting your money to work with the goal of making it grow over time. You become a part owner of companies or assets and share in their profits. This can be done with a small amount of money too. Setting your goals. Step 1 in investing is setting clear goals. What are you investing for? It could be a short-term goal like buying a car, a mid-term goal like a vacation, or a long-term goal like retirement. Knowing your goals helps you determine how much risk you can take and how long you can invest for. Start small with a Robo-Advisor. One of the easiest ways to start investing with a small amount of money is by using a Robo-Advisor. These are digital platforms that create and manage a diversified portfolio for you. They'll consider your goals, risk tolerance, and preferences to invest in a mix of assets. Plus, they usually have low fees, which is great for beginners. Diversification and risk management. Diversification is a key strategy in investing. It means spreading your money across different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce risk. Remember, all investments come with some level of risk, but diversification can help minimize the impact of a single bad investment. Investing in stocks. Now, let's talk about investing in individual stocks. A stock represents ownership in a company. With even a small amount of money, you can buy fractional shares of companies you believe in. Look for companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. Mutual funds and ETFs. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. This is a great option for beginners as it allows you to invest in a variety of assets with just one purchase. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This helps you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, ultimately reducing the impact of market volatility. The power of compounding. Now, let's talk about a magical concept in investing: compounding. It's like snowballing your money over time. The returns you earn on your initial investment start earning returns themselves, leading to exponential growth. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Avoiding common mistakes. as a beginner, it's important to avoid common investing mistakes. Don't invest in something you don't understand, don't let emotions dictate your decisions, and remember that investing is a long-term game. Patience is key. When embarking on your investment journey, it's crucial to be mindful of fees and costs associated with various investment options. These expenses can significantly impact your overall returns over time. Investment platforms, mutual funds, ETFs, and financial advisors often charge fees for their services, and these costs can vary widely. While fees may seem small individually, they can accumulate over the years and erode a substantial portion of your gains. Therefore, it's essential to carefully consider the fee structure of any investment you're considering. Look for investments with reasonable fees that align with your financial goals. Remember, being diligent about understanding and managing these costs can make a meaningful difference in the growth of your investment portfolio. Stay informed and keep learning. The world of investing is always evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed and keep learning. Read books, follow reputable financial news sources, and maybe even consider taking a basic investing course. Knowledge is your best tool for making informed decisions. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and with the right mindset and a little bit of effort, you can start building your wealth, one investment at a time. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone you think could benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing. Check out these other videos for more investing tips and financial advice. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.